What if your smartphone could replace your DSLR camera? What if you could capture ultra-detailed 200 MP telephoto shots, cinematic videos, and pro-level portraits, all from a device that fits in your pocket? Vivo believes it's possible with its latest global flagship, the Vivo X300 Pro. After its massive success in China, this photography beast has officially landed in global markets, promising to take mobile imaging to the next level. But does it truly deliver professional-grade performance, or is it just another flashy flagship with a high price tag? Let's find out as we dive deep into its design, camera innovations, battery compromises, and real-world performance, because this might just be the ultimate camera phone of 2025. The Vivo X300 Pro has officially made its global debut, and it's already making headlines for being one of the most powerful camera smartphones ever created, combining MediaTek's cutting-edge Dimensity 9500 chipset with ZEISS optics and Vivo's in-house imaging intelligence to deliver a photography experience unlike anything else on the market. And while it does come with a few compromises in the global variant, what it offers in return is sheer professional performance packed into a sleek, futuristic design. Vivo launched the X300 Pro globally alongside its standard X300 sibling, but make no mistake, the Pro variant is the true flagship of the series, boasting hardware and camera innovations that set new standards for mobile photography. Starting with the heart of this powerhouse, the Dimensity 9500 chip brings a 4-nanometer architecture, next-gen AI imaging support, and ultra-efficient performance, ensuring buttery-smooth multitasking, console-grade gaming, and zero lag even when capturing 200 MP high-resolution images. But the real showstopper here is a camera system, which Vivo proudly co-engineered with ZEISS. On the back, you'll find a 50 MP Sony LYT-828 primary sensor that delivers crystal-clear photos with balanced exposure, sharp contrast, and impressive low-light performance. Alongside it sits a 200 MP Samsung HPB telephoto lens, offering unparalleled detail and precision even when zooming into faraway subjects. This telephoto lens isn't just about numbers. It's paired with Vivo's Pro Imaging Chip VS1, a dedicated processor designed specifically for computational photography, ensuring every shot is optimized for clarity, dynamic range, and natural color reproduction. Completing the trio is a 50 MP Samsung Gen 1 ultra-wide camera, ideal for landscape photography or creative framing, providing versatility that few smartphones can match. On the front, the X300 Pro carries a 50 MP Gen 1 selfie camera, ensuring detailed and vibrant self-portraits regardless of lighting conditions. But Vivo didn't stop at optics alone. It also introduced a ZEISS 2.35x telephoto extender kit, an optional photography accessory that physically extends the zoom capabilities of the telephoto lens. This kit essentially transforms the phone into a mini DSLR, allowing photographers to capture distant subjects with striking clarity and minimal distortion, especially in daylight shots. Early tests reveal that the teleconverter not only enhances zoom performance, but also maintains vivid color balance and edge-to-edge sharpness, making it one of the most impressive mobile photography tools of 2025. However, while the Chinese variant came equipped with a massive 6,510 mAh battery, the global version sees a slight downgrade to 5,440 mAh, likely due to design and regulatory adjustments. Still, Vivo ensures users won't face power anxiety by keeping its ultra-fast 90W wired charging and 40W wireless charging intact, offering a full recharge in under 30 minutes, something very few flagships can claim. For power users constantly on the go, pairing this phone with a high-capacity power bank, like the Baseus 20K145W, available for around $69.99, makes it a travel-ready photography setup. Now, speaking of design, the Vivo X300 Pro embraces a sleek aesthetic with curved glass edges, minimal bezels, and a futuristic camera module that instantly stands out. The phone is rated IP68 and IP69 for dust and water resistance, making it durable enough for challenging outdoor shoots. Its 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate delivers breathtaking visuals, vivid colors, and smooth transitions, perfect for both gaming and professional photo editing on the go. The The display supports HDR10+ and reaches peak brightness levels that make it legible even under harsh sunlight, while the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner ensures quick and secure access. On the software side, the X300 Pro runs Origin OS 6 based on Android 16, bringing several new AI-driven camera enhancements, adaptive refresh rate optimization, and power management improvements. Vivo's custom OS also introduces new video editing tools and improved portrait mode, making it a dream phone for content creators and mobile photographers. The combination of dual stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.4, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port ensures high-quality connectivity and media playback. Priced at €1,399 in the EU for the 16GB RAM and 512GB storage variant, the X300 Pro certainly sits in the premium flagship segment, competing directly with giants like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. However, Vivo's secret weapon lies in its camera performance and imaging consistency, areas where it not only matches, but occasionally surpasses the competition. Vivo's long-standing collaboration with ZEISS continues to deliver real-world results, with every photo carrying that signature ZEISS contrast and color tuning that feels natural yet professionally balanced. In terms of performance, benchmarks reveal the Dimensity 9500 rivals Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in both CPU and GPU scores while maintaining better thermal efficiency, thanks to a redesigned vapor chamber cooling system that keeps temperatures stable even during prolonged camera sessions or gaming marathons. Battery life remains impressive, with the phone comfortably lasting through a day and a half of heavy use, including 4K video recording, gaming, and navigation. The downgrade from the Chinese variant's larger battery is noticeable on paper, but practically negligible thanks to optimization in software and chip efficiency. Where Vivo truly wins is in the experience. The effortless switching between lenses, the near-instant shutter response, and the cinematic depth in video shot in 4K and 8K modes. In low light, the Pro Imaging Chip VS1 intelligently enhances shadow detail without overexposing highlights, delivering shots that rival those from mirrorless cameras. For professionals, the X300 Pro supports full manual controls, raw output, and advanced video modes like ZEISS Cinematic Portrait and Vlog for flexible post-processing. If you're a content creator, traveler, or photography enthusiast, this device might be the most balanced flagship available right now. It's not just a smartphone, it's a professional camera disguised as one. Sure, the price is steep and the battery downgrade might disappoint some, but when you factor in the photographic capabilities, display quality, and charging speeds, the Vivo X300 Pro easily earns its title as one of 2025's best flagship camera phones. So, if you've been waiting for a smartphone that delivers DSLR-like versatility with AI-powered creativity, the Vivo X300 Pro should be at the top of your list. And if you're passionate about staying ahead in the tech world, don't forget to subscribe, because we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and comparisons right here on TechVerse, your ultimate destination for everything tech. If you're looking for a smartphone that blends cutting-edge design, ZEISS-grade optics, and pro-level performance, the Vivo X300 Pro is the perfect choice for creators and camera lovers. Despite its smaller battery in the global version, its camera hardware, display brilliance, and charging efficiency make it one of the best flagships of 2025. For more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and future tech breakdowns, make sure you subscribe to TechVerse, where innovation meets insight